lagi ako late. Yun talaga yung pinaka-natutunan ko. And to, like, be professional in terms of working dahil before, medyo hindi ako aware sa showbiz. So you really opened my eyes in, like in showbiz, being on time, being professional. Yun, tsaka napakabait ni Barbie.
Natutunan mo din bang mahalin yung pag-arte?
Yung pag-arte.
Yung pag-arte.
Yes,
Yung pag-arte.
I think.
You think.
I think.
You love.
You.
You think.
I think.
You love.
You.
Okay!
Babalik ako.
Babalik. O, sige. Ang galaw kasi nakupo ka.